Manuela Sáenz Aispuru, cuya vida se cierne en dos grandes situaciones de vida que marcaron su paso por la historiografía independentista hispanoamericana contemporánea. Manuela Sáenz Aispuru, cuya vida se cierne en dos grandes situaciones de vida que marcaron su paso por la historiografía independentista hispanoamericana contemporánea.
Being a retail vendor in today's world can be a challenge. Building your very own online store is often expensive, complicated, and problematic. Introducing ShopGrow Pro. ShopGrow Pro is your one-stop solution to get your retail store online. Our 5-minute setup is as simple as connecting your barcode scanner to our device. As you scan your products, our algorithm adds it online to your web store. ShopGrow Pro then develops categories, manages inventory, adds appropriate images, and creates your mobile app storefront. With ShopGrow Pro, it's easy to be online. Your store will be available on every device. Moreover, our mobile app will let your customers purchase your products directly from the app. So, integrate ShopGrow Pro with your business within 5 minutes. ShopGrow Pro. Visit our website at shopgrow.in for more information today.
¿Qué es papel cero? El concepto de la campaña Papel Cero se relaciona con la reducción progresiva del uso del papel mediante la sustitución de los documentos en físico por soportes y medios electrónicos. Papel Cero no propone la eliminación total de los documentos en papel. Tienden a convivir con los documentos electrónicos. Está dirigido a la reducción progresiva en más de un 70% del uso del papel y de los medios físicos de impresión en la institución.
Choose your favorite gang. Have a sit down with all your friends. The objective, kill all the other gangs. For tonight, you will try to rise to the top by eliminating everyone else in the most brutal card game on the streets. Destroy their houses, vehicles, and businesses. Or hit them with a rip deal. Action blocked. Get the fuck out. Keep your gun loaded because shit's about to go down. Gang war. Gang war. Will you be the last gang standing? Rebels Gang War, the most brutal card game on the streets.